Adjust muna na yung genre.
Bilis mag-long sa Maya. Kaya may alak? Ma'am, ay, alok ka na.
Adjust muna tayo ng genre. Pre. This song is secret for Ate Tess, requested by Ate Tess. Thank you very much. Siya na sa distor ko. Amen. Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Search your heart, search your soul, and when you find me there, you'll search no more. Don't tell me it's not worth trying for. You can't tell me it's not worth trying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. Look into your heart, you will find there's nothing there to hide. Take me as I am, shame my life. I'll give it all. I was sacrificed. Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. It can't help it, there's nothing I want more. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. There's no love like your love, and no other could give more love. There's nowhere unless you're there all the time, all the way. Everything I do, darling. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All the while, oh yeah. Oh, you can't tell me it's not worth trying for. I can't help it, it's nothing I want more. Yeah, I would fight for you, I live for you. What do I for you? Yeah, it's all for you. You know it's true. Everything I do, I do it for you. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Kamu na.
Anong request mo, friends?
Ano? Request mo na.
Richie.